Ka second Meghalaya Pineapple Festival arajar arpusau kalalong hanong ba Delhi, ha hat kalam memorial ha ka khatlai tri unaitung. Balasaki ba kani katamasa kalanang songsit bat yu jingero ne kipat na keleng ki jela jongkari ki belawan ban yu mat ya ke jingbang ba ke jing thiang jong usok turun uba ke jela Meghalaya ke penmi.
Ka Meghalaya Pineapple Festival ke Baar, ka peninam ya usok turun uba penmi na kejelam Meghalaya, dasaki bahagani festival kalong basong shed badi ojingero na kipat ba na kaleng kejela, kebelawan manishim benta ha kani kata masa, ha kebalayo wan ma de kejingbang bajing tiang jong usok turun dan bagi bagi jingbang melasna usok turun. Ya kani ka Pineapple Festival ka Baar lapan long ha New Delhi Hat ha ka Kalam Memorial. Ya kani kata masa peninam yo usok turun kemlong dengan Sarkar Meghalaya rengkat kejing Trilang bat ka Directorate of Horticulture ka Meghalaya Heritage katanat jungok kai pathai kejela nalor kiwe kitanat rekam Sarkar ya ka belas nang naduk spau trek ka bakut pat ha ka khatsau trek unaitung ar hajar apusa kumbalasaki ba kata masa Meghalaya Pineapple Festival ar hajar apusa klanang yo kejingero ni kibabun balang na kira pat ba ke balawan ban mad usok turun pat kiwe de jingbam kiblashna no usok turun ba kinang isyam banta kum kinong rap kiblasha ajit na kaleng kijela ka Meghalaya kilapan pa ba kum kinang tamasa kene rap shibon yaki kum kinong rap kibapin mi usok turun bat kiwe namar kinang la ban yo ekayo ko bapaka kabadai ka banta ka bakong san jong kejing tre jongki nalor kinong rap ki katukanengut kiro pat ba kilapan pa ru ba ke Sarkar Meghalaya kadai benangyai pemlong ya kum kini kita masa peninam sotrun bat kiwe gejat so ki bapau na kejela Meghalaya hamtam kum usun rai la kadong balapau ba nalor ki project ban kentiu ki kampen mi tiar boper ban kentiu ya kelat yo kami ojam bat kayo kokot rukum jo na kabenta kinong rap bat kiwe ya kum kini kita masa de ban pemlong hakeleng ki jela kari India ki lapan pau so
How is your experience having that food?
Yeah, first thing, it's quite tasty. And looking at the pineapple and eating it cut, I think it's very tasty. They have added some
Flavor.
spice. The experience is nice. People are very friendly. And we had this red rice tea
Okay.
and honey, orange honey. Excellent taste. For the first time we are tasting. I'm Sanjay, coming all the way from Pune in Maharashtra. This Meghalaya festival was a very certainly surprise. Lots of color, lots of good taste. Best wishes. Thank you.
Yang suk cibon yo igapo cimi yo ipen yung igitir dai na do la how rep I hado ha how dai mo kamong ting dang men chwa dem ju yo I kamini yaw wato wa pi wa rep wan ginong phet mut sidor gi te mut da I wan na do na how rep hado at how dai nyaw rap yo bori te gedore her di bahwa I lemje batal mut MK nong irap I lembaga office wa irap I snato yagi barno to puncak lagi grupo ini te yo ile dai sibun ge yawa sna sukse te ge bedor le rap yo I te snyao man kamte gi tirwan rai ini te boro du na gi tre yong gi nong rep la ni gi nong chna kam gini wat han gini wat chna bun jai mo kam gini gi share ini gi changi ko gi wat han gi dikti man gi wa ong bai ki wa mi bai na po Meghalaya to di connect la nyim to di wa kabong wa wan rai na bar ijing skiet bai ki ni waro ite daw mut wan gi bru na bar de tet ki kisnya suk ichbon uyo ya chem paramat mat ba I nong rep wa gi nong dai kini waro pure man gi organic paka bai to gi wa khle de ye mut kalok kamu ni u cermit lo la kadong le to ada de khle powder to ada khle da wai mo kamong kini mut da man gi wa organic bai wa best how bam sa
Like juice sebenarnya kami ka salt kapal coba salt ang tangi extra juice na ka salt and then we add sugar add kashini lang ta bagi preservative kayo kabiang di balamat kayong kabiang kacing jangan naka sarkar kalong ba kinang ay susu ini kacing tersyan dapat yarap ban promote dem iki production nang ba nila ban dia ki ang bakin sakut kajuk mo bangi peni ni kwa ban penyat dan bakamar sini kan yat nang balada kamar sini kayat kinong rap jeni ro kin yo ka kamai ka jip kinla ban nang kamtung subun ki sotun hapo ka jaka bitong nila ban kit ki sotun hakador ka babiang nila ban supply ro shinish tai hakador ka babiang kijing jeni kilong haka marketing hi nila ban dia nila ban pemi lesing nila ban pemi subun ki produk ki nila ban le luar mo tamba ka marketing ni dang guna pa bagi dan jaka ban penyat iki katahi
highest document levels is right? Yes, so nice. Yes, so all the yeah, lot. So all these products here, since they're naturally made and all of that, but we have given them the standardization. None of them have any preservative, and all the products have their nutritional checks and expiry dates.
Of Prime Rural. Prime Rural is an initiative of Government of Meghalaya where we work in 12 districts, 12 blocks. We go to each and every village of the block, and as I speak to you right now, my team, 36 kids of mine, they are on the ground tenting in different villages and finding entrepreneurs like Konkirsiu and Rubina, and they are hunting them, finding them, and then we pick 20 to 25 champion rural entrepreneurs who can become the example for the rest of the block, so that others can also take up entrepreneurship programs. And I provide them doorstep incubation support along with my team. When I say doorstep incubation support, this festival becomes one of the biggest platform that can help us in providing the doorstep incubation support, because we help them with registration licensing. That is where all the products that you see here, they have got all the licenses, all the nutritional checks, all the expiries done. We help them with product development. That is why the red rice tea from Jayantia Hills is in bamboo packaging, and all our sustainable packaging that I'm promoting, so that the rural entrepreneurs also get the standardization of the urban entrepreneurial ecosystem. We provide them with training of the levels of IHM also, and then we help them with marketing, market linkage. In the marketing, market linkage, this becomes one of the biggest platform for us, because not just normal buyers come here, we also get wholesaler, like bulk buyers. So they come here, they place big orders. So far, somebody has already placed an order for the black pottery. Somebody has placed order for red rice tea and so on and so forth. Along with this, we also have an MOU which is being implemented, whereby we are providing them with machinery, solar and electricity. And as I speak to you again, the last step of the DPRs are getting signed. And I think in the next 2 months, you're going to actually see the example, whereby the rural entrepreneurs that I'm working with, they will get solar, they'll get electricity and infrastructure according to their business basket. So if somebody is making wine, they'll get wine infrastructure. If somebody is making, and we also incubate blacksmiths. So right now I am getting 30 plus entrepreneurs. We have 140 entrepreneurs, and we are getting more, and we want to make sure entrepreneurship spreads all across Meghalaya.
Bat kasorkar hi nakapor siya kapor kalanang penkiw ya kajing penla pan ai jingirap ya ki nongrep batung sotrun pan yarap ya ki pan invest bha bro shikatu kajudon kata kajing wan jong kini ki nong thet ki pala buk lupa ya kawai kakper da ki lom da ki po ekar tapagan booking bakiong menta at least ki farmers jungi ki tip chanu banlen ngin penklan ya ka marketing board ngin ra ya ka marketing board sa ki districts ngin bu ya ka mang pisah ki districts ru man pej bagini ki nongrep ki jongi habadon kanu kajing yardor ne kajing kiudor jong uno ujing mi hapo ki per joki kinum hab ban shu detat ya ki mar joki sha kini ki nong wan thet lupa ti nga su tho ba pikwa ya ka result ka ba kloi pikwa ban yu i baro unong rep unong ngarwa kwa mta rei to yaisha ka sarkar kadang don hapdeng ka jing penkre jong kata ka jing pulie ka bajeliu banyarap ingini ki farmers ki jongi bat nget kumbangile ya ki nong rep sensar sauklur ni lamang yaki bat nakatu ka sauklur ngilala banyarap yaki hakapor bakahyar ka doru sensar nginle ru yaki we ki jigmi na po ki per ki jongi bat kibupon ki schemes POE bakani ka sarkar kanle mentalele boong yapi ngidang perkhat ka community public private partnership but kawai na kita ki company bahe ha hapo Karnataka banyarap yangi kumno bansutho ya ka jing chalan jong u no uso ne ujur ubami ne ki per ki jongi hakataka mentaban proses ki kita ki frozen fruit processing units ngilaya tray bat ki menta kasapal kan sawan sa state jungi akakatsan tarik ngin sign ya ke MOU bat ngin yarap susu ya kini kinongrep kasapal kala ongru baka numpet lang yung pineapple kan persyang ban increase ya ki other products ro te kini kita bi kiba yarap ingi ban yarap ya u nongrep ban teng kinongrep idu increment ngasu ong ki watu increment kali na kini kibalala mandi ya kimat matang ki bon baha ka potential ka state jungi.
So I teach them bookkeeping, in which I also teach them how to do unit costing. So imagine this is the product. So what is the cost of the packaging? What is the cost of labeling? What is the cost of the product? Then we also add logistic in. Now logistic cost also gets added. That way the price of the product goes up. Now you must be thinking, from where do I take care of logistics? So this is where, as I started expanding in the last 1 year, we saw that youngsters started coming from Shillong who said, madam, we'll pick up this business, we will make sure that the product gets transported. So there is a boy from Jaintia Hills, no delivery and no FedEx or anything. That boy has taken up the charge and he's saying, I will deliver. So right now, as they are getting the orders, so he is delivering it. And so what we are trying to do with this project is that not just these rural entrepreneurs, we also want to create an entrepreneurial ecosystem in the state. So if logistic, we want youngsters to take it up. Packaging, I want youngsters to take up packaging, and we will provide them with wholesalers, numbers and all of that. And same way, Government of Meghalaya is actually helping us in label printing also.